focus is to come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that.
Okay guys, so I just wanted to say that I got this from Amazon. Purchased to my cousin Shayla. She had on this pretty wig and I was like, I gotta get that. So I just opened it, it's Amazon. So I was just thinking, if I just get the wig out the bag. But look at the box. So I said I gotta do an unbox for y'all. So this is my unbox for y'all. So this is Amella 100% virgin hair. And my mom is rolling the camera. Jesus, be offense. This is nice. Oh. Okay, Amazon. I thought I signed up for a wig. I'm gonna get Shayla. I gotta do this myself. It's okay. I know how to make a wig. I ain't tripping.
Okay.
And I got a head, so. Well, guess I'll be making a wig. So I'll actually wait to upload this box opening, and there's a video idea. Wig making. So
they got all the instruction right there.
What instruction?
They got everything in the box.
Oh yeah, hold on. So the closure, the 3 bundles, I got 20, 16, 18, and 20. And then I got the closure, which is a 16-inch closure. Oh, y'all know I know how to put on lashes now, so it's a wrap.
Oh, they serious, huh?
Oh, they even give you a cap. Oh, see, Shirley ain't telling me all that. So, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and leave that link below so y'all can know where to get this from, because this is nice. This is going to be my birthday hair. Oh. All right, well, thank you guys, and just stay tuned for the wig making. Hello, just showing y'all what I have. I have my styrofoam head. And I am showing y'all my bundles, which I have a 16, 18, and a 20-inch. Also, I have a closure, a 4x4 closure, which is a 16-inch as well. I'll put down below where I got the hair, what kind of hair. And I use a dome cap. I'd rather not use the cap that they gave me. Yeah. Dome cap is just more secure. They even sent me lashes, guys. Look at me I need to turn it the right way. They sent me lashes, and of course I'm excited because I finally learned how to wear them. Right now I just look lost as hell. I don't know who I'm talking to. Oh, I'm on the phone. Bye. So right here, I'm actually pinning down my closure because you always want to sew that down first. That way you know what kind of workaround room you have around that closure or frontal if you have one. What I usually do is put a pin in the front and also the back like I just did. And then what I'm going to do now is go ahead and thread my needle. Eventually, I'm going to put this in a ponytail and just watch and see. I'm just going to go ahead and sew this down and I'll be back. 16 is up top, so that's why it kind of looks like this. But you can wet it too. My hair itchy. But you can wet it too, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all ain't see my little ear under there. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and make sure y'all give it a like and a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah. Classy, bougie,